Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Book. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Book dies within 10 minutes of being off the charger, you're likely facing a battery issue. This can happen due to battery wear over time, and if left untreated, it can lead to your device becoming unusable when not connected to a power source. To resolve this, a battery replacement is necessary to restore functionality. For this repair, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement battery specifically designed for the Surface Book. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. To safely open your Surface Book, use the plastic prying tool to gently separate the screen from the base. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging the display or internal components. Once you've accessed the inside, look for the battery, which is typically located near the bottom of the device. You may see some screws securing it in place. Use your precision screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Make sure to remember the types and lengths of screws, as they may vary. As you extract the battery, gently disconnect any cables attached to it, taking care not to tug too hard, as this could damage nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the old battery, it's time to install the new one. Place the new battery in the designated slot and reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. Replace the screws you previously removed to secure the battery in place. Once everything is tightened, carefully reassemble the device by aligning the screen and pushing it back into the base until you hear a click. Finally, power on your Surface Book to check if it's functioning correctly and holds a charge. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider keeping your device updated and avoid letting the battery drain to zero frequently. Regularly calibrating the battery can also help maintain its health over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.